There's Croy. It's recording. Alan. My best friend. I'm putting this thing on.
Dang it! I was going to put it on.
When does the bell ring? It's 18.
Freaking truth!
Oh yeah, we had a truce.
Turn around, Chloe. Dust it off.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm recording it. And you have to take a picture with us descendants anyways because you're dedicating your story to us. He's dedicating his story. No, I'm just making it. Caitlin, you're a hobo. You're a hobo. She's so stupid. That's not as bad as the thing you said, the Bachana thing. Dang it. You heard me.
You're recording it?
Yeah.
You're recording the fight between
Hit him back, Caitlin, you little wimp.
You can see his underwear.
Who? Maggie's just kind of standing there.
That's my shirt that's tucked in. Maggie loves Maggie. And
Maggie.
Dang it, no. My name's Ellen.
Throw it out in the hallway.
Oh my god.
I thought I dropped it. Yeah.
You dropped it.
Oh, earthquake! Oh! It's an earthquake! Oh! Earthquake! Oh! Yeah, it is. Look at the camera. You're singing! You don't have video. What did he say? He said something about Mr. O'Neill, something.
She said, now it's a real earthquake. I said, yes.
Oh my gosh! Just in case.
My name is Madison Bell.